You like fair games, and you like clear rules. What if the only way to earn your turn was to solve a puzzle that is tough to find but super fast to check? Sounds strict, right? But here's the twist. That rule stops cheaters and makes everyone play by the same steps. That rule in the digital world is called proof of work. Let's find out. Think of a community treasure hunt with a big sand pit. Dozens of small metal tags are buried under the sand. On a public board, today's rule is printed. Find a tag whose code starts with 3 zeros. You take a shovel and you start digging. You pull a tag and compare its code to the rule. If it's not a match, back it goes. You keep digging, then check, and repeat these steps. Most of the tries fail. Then someone finds a tag that fits the rule. They raise it up so everyone can read the code. A judge scans it and confirms in seconds. Because they solved the hard search, they earn a prize and the right to write the next line on the public board. Here's the simple idea. The hard digging is the work. The winning tag is the proof. Writing the next line is like adding a new block to a growing chain of pages. The page has the rule, the winning code, and a note that points to the page before it. It is hard to win a turn, but it is easy for everyone to check the win. That is what keeps the chain strong and honest. So, why should you care? Because this rule makes shared digital stuff harder to fake. Scores and trades stay fair. Your online items feel safer. Everyone can quickly check a win, even if they did not do the digging. It turns a messy crowd into a clear, open game with the same rule for all. So now, you know how proof of work keeps a shared record fair by making turns earned, not guessed. Here are the main terms to remember and share. Proof of work, a rule where real effort earns the right to add the next page. Puzzle rule, a simple public rule that the winning code must match. Valid match, a code that fits the rule and wins the turn. Quick check, a fast test anyone can do to confirm the win. A block, the new page added, with the rule, the winning code, and a link to the page before it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.